How do I start an online business? Here are your answers. First, find values by reading books, taking courses, and hearing from a mentor who is the top of the industry. You may learn how to gain your values. Share your idea on social media like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. By building a prototype, you can test consumer demands, maintain product stability while making continuous improvements. Create free book course to receive feedback and push your credibility. When you have a large community, you share enough value with people, you got loyal customers. Loyal customers will buy your product, your values. Maybe they do not really need it, but in the past you provide a lot of value to help them in problem solving. But first, you have to share values. Second, design, product, and business. Number one, design. You create thought and ideas, market research, and competition. How can you show the pain point for your customer? Making your brand look more attractive by using quality photo. Have a clear goal. Why do you want to help people? Why do you want to follow in the end with your idea? More specific. Find the reason why. People will follow you if your work is excellent enough. You must design your product useful, innovative, understandable, aesthetic, and honest. Create your business roadmap, your vision, a story about your business. Number two, product. What thing do you want to create for people? 7 things that people need. Entertainment, education, food, health, finance, fashion, and technology. Why do people need your product? Do some e-commerce research, digital product, ebook, course, templates, photo, music, app, coaching, etc. Physical product, clothes, food, real estate, cosmetic, hardware, etc. Number 3, business. How many resources do you have? Budget, people, etc. What is your USP? Unit selling proportion. Many tasks, many people, manage cash flow. Study tasks and commercial flow. Get to know copyright. Where are you planning to market? On social media like TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google, or on real life. Banner, billboard, brochure. Spend money on copywriting since it will increase your income. You must make a one-page landing page for your business. Third, maintenance. Receive feedback, continue to improve, add more value. Follow me to know more about design, product, and business.